Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today's video is going to be an Ajio haul. So I ordered a couple of kurtas a little while back when I thought offices were going to, get back to normal. So sort of like summer office wear, casual wear type of kurtas. I thought I'll just show you guys because you guys seem to be enjoying hauls, and yes, we have Bella here, she's sleeping. So we'll just get started. Yeah, here we go. I have been posting some videos on my Telugu channel as well, so you can check out those videos as well if you're interested. I recently did an affordable kurta sets haul, so yeah, do check that out. I'll link that as well. So this is a Nikat kurta. It is sort of a light blue, and it's a pretty basic kurta. It has side slits, but I really like that on the top it has a little bit of frill detailing, so I thought it'll be cute at the same time. Pretty nice for summer. So this is from the brand called AKS, and yeah, this is the kurta basically. I thought the frill thing was quite cute. You can wear it with like off-white pants or like some sort of palazzos, and wear like nice silver jewelry, and it will look so pleasant. So it can be used even for basic use, if not for office or college. So that was our first kurta. So this is our second kurta, and this is like a white kurta, and this is also a cotton kurta. Again, I thought it would be perfect for the summer. This has a very beautiful print. I really like this, and this is also from AKS. All of these were on pretty good discount when I ordered them. Right now also they're on discount, but at that point I got 3 kurtas for like 1400, which I thought was pretty great, which is also one of the reasons why I ordered them, because I don't have like any basic kurtas. It's been a while. So yeah, this is the print. I think it looks really pretty and pleasant, and this is what the flared part looks like. It would look so pretty with some accessories, and I think the palazzo is also available in this print, but I haven't gotten it. I'm actually pretty excited about this kurta because it has lotus print, and this one was available in 2 different colors. I got this, and I think it was available in yellow also. It has a little bit of pink piping and lotus flowers all over. Again, this is also pretty basic cotton kurta, but then it has these frills in the ghera. So, and the ghera is also really nice. It has a huge flare, which I really like. So this is what it is, and it has like long sleeves, and again a little bit of ruffle here. Very cute. This would look nice as a dress also. You don't even need to wear it as a kurta. For summer I thought this one will be really comfortable, and you can wear it for casual use. Very pretty. So these are the 3 kurtas which I got from Ajio, but I also got a couple of other other kurtas. These are from an Instagram page called Shiloh, and I think I was wearing one of the kurtas and a lot of you guys really liked it. So I'll just quickly show you guys what I got from this page. And this is the kurta that I got. It is such a pretty one, pretty basic, but again so nice. And this one doesn't have side slits, so you can wear it as a dress or a kurta, and it is sort of like straight cut. It is not does not have much of flare, but I think the fit actually looks good on me, and I quite like it. And this is in double XL, so you'll be able to find different sizes with them. They have extra small also, I believe, from extra small to double XL. This I think is a very good size. Actually, I think it might even be 3XL. So yeah, do check out their page. I think they will have very good ones. And look at this. I really like this detailing at the sleeve. They added a little bit of this patch. I think it looks really nice. Again, I wore this with like really big silver jhumkas, and this one actually I think the cut is really nice. They have sort of princess cut kind of a thing here. You know what I mean? So it's not all straight. So the stitching is basically good, so it gives a really nice fit, and I quite like these for summer. They're very, very comfortable. I like the color as well. This is a very beautiful sari. This is such a pretty color. It's sort of that mint blue with pink color piping, and it has like a gold stripe here, and they have these in so many different colors, but I wanted to get the mint one, and it is so beautiful. The fabric is also really nice. It's not very transparent, but I think it'll be great for summers. This is the block print kind of a sari, and it looks really beautiful. And then there's this kota dupatta, which also I really admire, which also I really like. So this is the kota dupatta. You can wear it with like black or any dark color kurtas, or even with off-white, and it has this really beautiful detailing at the borders, which looks really nice. So the quality of all of them are really good. The kurta, the dupatta, and even the sari, I really like the quality and the detailing and the finish, basically. So that is it from Shilaw, and I'll just quickly show you guys one of the kurtas from my recent Telugu video, just to give you guys an idea. And I wanted to quickly show you guys this kurta set from another Instagram page. So I did a full-on haul on my Telugu channel. Do check that out. So these are kurta sets with dupattas, and this is from an Instagram page called Knits and Knots, and these are all quite affordable. They're priced from 1500 to 2000, and just look at this pearl detailing and the work. It is just so beautiful. So I thought you guys should have a look in case you're someone who doesn't speak Telugu and haven't been watching my Telugu channel. This is the dupatta. It's the organza one, and it has like nice thread detailing. It's the kurta. It has like side slits. I just don't want to open it and show you guys. It's because I want you guys to watch the full haul and see all the available ones. Just look at this. I love the pearl detailing here. This is available in different colors. If not the exact piece, then they have like different ones. I really like the mint blue ones also that they have. And yeah, you can check out the rest of the haul on my Telugu video to see the collection that they carry. I think they also have really beautiful kurtas. So that was today's haul, you guys. I did get one or two things from Myntra, but they're in my other house, so I will have to show you guys in a different video. So again, let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to continue doing haul videos. I've done a favorites video. I thought that was pretty useful because I've mentioned a lot of beauty, skincare, fashion favorites, and even health related things which are essentials at the moment, and some really nice fun food to try and all that. So do check out that video as well, and I think I might post vlogs. Let me know what you would like to watch. I think I'll do some summer related videos as well, because a lot of you guys wanted to see summer clothing, at home clothing, nightwear. Yeah, so just let me know if you have any other ideas as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telugu channel as well, and I will leave my Instagram handle here. Do check it out. I have been posting hauls and mini reviews and some reels there as well, so do check it out. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.